Hello, my name is Katie Eves. I'm a Scentsy Independent Consultant, and really quickly, I want to go through an updated training for what the scent of the month is, what the warmer of the month is, how it can help your business, how to sign up for it, and the recent changes to it. So let's get started. Oh, I'm up here. Okay, so let me expand this then, since my little face is smaller. Okay. So if you are a consultant, you have the perk of one of the perks that we get is the scent and warmer of the month kit. You get to choose if you want the scent and the warmer, or neither. They start processing those on the 15th of every month, unless something happens at home office that makes it delayed. But since I've been here, it's always been the 15th, which if you know about when we get paid with our commissions, we normally get paid around the 9th, but it's technically on the 10th is payday. So I think they planned for these subscriptions to run after we get paid so that you can have that your business income as a consultant, your commissions, being able to potentially pay for this if you want. It's really good to have. I've done it a couple times. I don't do it every month because I'm fairly new. I've only been doing this since July 21, and it's September 22. No, now it's October. My gosh. But you get a good deal. It's a big savings on the items you get in it. So let's see. I've seen some YouTube videos of this, but it's not with the most recent information. So that's why I wanted to do this. Recently, a couple months ago, they needed to adjust some of the contents due to just like worldwide costs of goods increasing. And instead of them increasing the price, they decided to modify what we get, the contents. So if you go to your workstation and you go to you just go to the Scentsy Success area, which is either the news, the training, or the marketing, and you just come up to the search bar and type in boost sales with the scent and warmer of the month program, then that'll give you a PDF that really goes into depth about this. And here's how you would download it right here. I've got it pulled up here so we can. I need this little gray thing to go away. Technology, man. Thank you. Go away. Okay, there. Gosh. So in here, it kind of explains the value of what you get. We no longer get a broom spray, and we don't get a little scent tester, and we get one fewer bars. So, but honestly, these are the most effective parts of the kit anyways. You're going to get 8 Scentsy bars in that new fragrance for the upcoming month. So if you sign up on October 15th, you're going to be getting the November scent and warmer of the month. And you have a chance to sign up for that kit between the 15th and the end of that month. So if you want the November scent and warmer of the month kit, gosh, you sign up between October 15th to the end of October. And it's such a good amount of savings. So you're getting 8 Scentsy bars, 50 of the flyers that you can use for sending out promotional mail, happy mail, marketing mail, whatever you call it, and then 72 scented stickers in that same scent. Pretty awesome. It's worth $54, and you're getting it at a deep discount. And then the same thing goes for the warmer combo kit. It's the scent of the month, $35 base, and then whatever the warmer is going to be priced at without the discount. So it's full retail value minus $15. So you've got an example right here where a $50 warmer would make the whole combo kit 75 or 70, excuse me. Here we go. Okay, here we go. You have until the 28th of the month prior to the kit's release. Cool. So about 2 weeks. And these are great examples of how to use it. I'll let y'all read that. But how do you do it? How do you sign up for it? You go to my account on the dashboard. Okay. Well, I just skip my address so that maybe I don't have to edit this video. But down here, past your personal website, social profiles, all of this right here, monthly subscriptions. You have the option to subscribe to either one of them. Let's pretend that we're going to subscribe to the scent of the month. So basically, you check out like you normally do with the regular order. You got your order summary over here. And make sure that it has your language here that you work in. And then you just go down there and add your card information and process it. And then it'll ship out as soon as it's ready to. It's so easy. And then let's say you signed up for the scent warmer of the month for November. And then come December, you're like, I don't really want that warmer. I mean, you can sell it to somebody else if you wanted to, but for some reason, if you wanted to downgrade, then you just come over here and this will say either edit right here and then downgrade here. So that's how you would kind of pick and choose which kind you want. And you can unenroll to all together. That's how it goes. It's really good to have if you are new to Scentsy or a seasoned Scentsy consultant and you need something to share with your customers or potential customers, your leads. And like last month for September, we had Gimme Candy for the scent of the month. It was amazing. I'm so glad I got the scent of the month because I've been going through those bars. It's so good. And a lot of people have wanted that one, so it was easy to sell. So yeah, I hope that this is beneficial. I'll stop the recording